journey to gold. India's healthcare skills champion. A story of dedication, excellence, and national pride. Every champion begins with a dream. A dream to learn. A dream to serve. A dream to represent something greater than oneself. For one young healthcare professional, that dream became a journey that would inspire an entire nation. This is the story of Miss Vishnupriya. A story of perseverance. A story of resilience. A story that led India to the highest podium on the global stage. The journey began at the state skills competition, where the best healthcare professionals competed to prove their clinical excellence. With confidence, determination, and exceptional skills, Vishnupriya emerged victorious. Her remarkable performance earned her a place at the National Skills Competition, where the finest healthcare professionals from across India competed for one dream: to represent India on the world stage. Every day brought new challenges. Every procedure was assessed. Every communication skill was perfected. Every movement mattered. There was no room for compromise, because representing India demanded nothing less than global excellence. After weeks of rigorous training, assessments, and relentless evaluation, one name emerged: Miss Vishnupriya. Representing Delhi, she had earned the honor of representing India at the Global Skills Competition in Australia. Under the dedicated Vidyanta faculty, Vishnupriya trained with one mission: to compete with the world's best. This is what Vidyanta is known for: creating healthcare professionals who meet global standards. This commitment to excellence is why Vidyanta has been trusted by the Government of India and multiple state governments to build the skills of the nation's healthcare workforce. She had brought home the gold medal for herself, for her family, for Vidyanta, and for India. One dream, one journey, one nation, one gold medal. At Vidyanta, skills are not simply taught. They are transformed into excellence.